Everyone, good evening. This is Simi. I'm the founder of Simi's World and Planet Healer, and I'm the first Indian vegan woman who climbed the Mount Kilimanjaro. And thank you so much, Moksh and Priya Events, who invited me as a guest for this MBC event, and all the people who enrolled and registered to walk and to learn something as a model. And I'm giving you best wishes from my side. Thank you so much for my friend Jabi and all the people who are here with me as a guest. Thank you so much one more time and all the best wishes from my side. Thank you.
Hi everybody, this is Charmila Venom. I have been into this industry since 1.5 years, and I have been working with Moksh for around a year actually, and today to be part of this MBC audition, it would be a great pleasure for me, and I would be looking forward in order to work with MBC further. Thank you for this opportunity.
Modeling. I came into audition for MVC auditions for today. The sessions are very good. The grooming, I got the best choreographer from Bangalore. I got best experience here today. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Manisha Jamnani. I was invited for this audition for MBC Multi-Brand Carnival, and I had a very great experience. I and my mother was invited for this, and we had a very great experience. Yes, thank you.
My name is Sudeep and I stay in Hyderabad. It's like pageantry is one of the best in the fashion field. So coming here, we have this elevation in this part. It's very helpful for us to seek, learn each and everything. So I recommend everybody to just seek in this process. It's very useful. At least 1% will be useful. It'll be like a very efficient way. So once we just come here, it'll be like very elaborated. So that's it. Thank you.
From Hyderabad. I'm just starting out to become a model, and thank you Multi-Brand Carnival for giving me this opportunity. I really had fun learning, interacting with everyone here. Thank you.
This is Megham. I'm very happy to be a part of it. Thank you MBC for giving this opportunity. This is my first event to participate in this ramp walk modeling. It was a great experience. Moksh also helped very well, and choreographer also helped in detail. It was a great day. Thank you.
MBC फैशन शो के बारे में जब मैंने देखा, मुझे लगा कि शायद इंस्टा पे बहुत ज़्यादा फेक रहते तो वैसे ही होगा, बट ये मेरा पहली बार बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है और मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला, जैसे कि रैंप वॉक हो, जैसे कि हमें कैसे चलना है, कैसे वॉक करना है. ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस.
मेरा नाम अलीम है और मैं हैदराबाद से ब्लॉग रखता हूँ. प्रोफेशनल मॉडल. मैं बहुत सारे इवेंट्स किया हूँ, मोक्ष सर के इवेंट्स भी किया हूँ. एंड ये जो MBC जो मंटा फैशन जो कार्निवल है, बहुत अच्छा ब्रांड है. और ये जो एजेंसी है मोक्ष सर की, वो बहुत अच्छी है. एंड आप इसमें ज्वाइन भी हो सकते हैं, मोक्ष सर को कांटेक्ट भी कर सकते हो. लेकिन फिर भी मैं इतने सारे शोज़ किया हूँ, बहुत ही अच्छा रिस्पांस मिल रहा है मुझे मोक्ष सर के लिए. सो थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू मोक्ष सर, एंड थैंक यू MBC Carnivals. Thank you so much.
Hair aesthetic surgeon, anti-aging specialist. I reverse the premature aging. Nowadays, all the youngsters are aging very early, but multi-fashion carnival or multi fashion show, all these audition who has come here are with lot of confidence. If they improve the smile, if they look at the pain, then they will become more confident, more glowing, more exuberant, more flowing. So I recommend the youth to have the soulful smiles, regularly practicing it, spreading all over the body. Every cell makes them more strong. I really congratulate all the audition youth who has come here. They have great future. I see the confidence in them. I see the goal in them. They're all very creative people. I like their integrity. I like their togetherness and the teamwork. I really appreciate all these audition youth who has come here, a great success. And congratulations to Moksh as well as Multai Fashion Carnival. Best wishes from Bar and Kitchen at Madhapur, and this is name of the this Beats Bar and Kitchen. I really congratulate all the delegates, all the guests here. Best wishes.
A pleasant evening. Today is a memorable day. We have been here to see the multi-brand carnival organized by Mr. Moksh. I have selected 2 or 3 of girls and 2 boys for our short films in what you call Urvasi OTT and other YouTube channels. I found that the youngsters are having lot of enthusiasm to become really beautiful, not physical beauty but intellectual and mental beauty. They are confident enough to expose themselves and interact with one and all. Mr. Moksh is a very senior person and expert with skills, not only in communication but also in beautification of hearts and souls and bodies. With the guidance of him, I think definitely he will have a good future. I selected this girl and also one more girl and 2 boys and 2 girls apart from her, and I think in near future we will find some of them who are here at national and international level, not only in beauty and other skills but also in their daily regular life, because Hindu Dharma and Hindu Dharma and Sanatan Dharma says through art you can distribute happiness, smiles and blessings to all, because an artist with his sacrifices make others to have happiness. I found such sort of atmosphere, aura here. I am thankful. All the best.
नाम दानिश अली है। मैं बाय प्रोफेशन थिएटर एक्टर और मूवीज़ एक्टर हूँ। अब मॉडलिंग इंडस्ट्री में करियर स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ, तो यहाँ पे मोक्ष भाई के थ्रू आया। बहुत अच्छा दिखा। सुहाना बोल के मेरे एक फ्रेंड है, उन्होंने रेफ़र करे तो आया था इधर में। अब अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत अच्छा दिखा इवेंट। थैंक यू।
मेरा नाम सोनिया है और मुझे यहाँ आके बहुत अच्छा लगा और MBC ने मुझे इनवाइट किया, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। मुझे बहुत कुछ यहाँ पे सीखने को मिला और मेरा ये फर्स्ट टाइम है ऑडिशन और मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। मैं चाहूँगी कि मुझे फिर से कोई ऐसा अपॉर्चुनिटी फिर से मिले। थैंक यू सो मच।
Theatre artist, working with multi brands carnival, it's a good blessing. Like the Moksh sir has explained us about the modeling, and the workshop was really went well, really nice, and really liked it, and hope to work these people soon. Thank you.
सर मैं उड़ीसा से हूँ। अब जब मुझे पता चला कि इंस्टाग्राम में जब भी मैं देखा ये ड्रेस सूट होने वाला है, ये वर्कशॉप होने वाला है, तो तभी मुझे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा, क्योंकि ये मैं शुरू से चाह रहा था कि मैं ऐसे फील्ड में जाऊँ, ग्लैमर इंडस्ट्री में जाऊँ, कि मेरा टैलेंट जो भी है वो मैं दिखाऊँ। तो इतना बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म मुझे मिला, इतना बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला कुछ सीखने के लिए, ग्रूमिंग के लिए, और जो कुछ भी होता है फैशन से मैं वो सब सीखने के लिए मिला। इसलिए बहुत बहुत दिल से मैं आपका आभारी हूँ। एंड आगे मैं आप बहुत प्राउड फील करना चाहता हूँ, इसलिए आप सभी लोग मेरे प्रे कीजिए। मैं आपको भी आगे बढ़ाने के लिए कोशिश करूँगा। धन्यवाद।
For the past 3 years now, I found out about the auditions here, about the workshop here, and I wanted to be a part of MBC Multi-Brand Carnival, and this has been a great workshop today. Lovely venue, and we've had some really good teachers here, great grooming sessions, and I'm looking forward to the next episodes of this. Thank you so much.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం, నా పేరు దీపు. నాకు లాస్ట్ 2 ఇయర్స్ నుంచి నాకు మోడలింగ్లో చాలా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంది. సో ఈరోజు MBC ఎంబీసీ ఆడిషన్స్కి వచ్చాము. అక్కడ చాలా గ్రూమింగ్ అండ్ చాలా అంతా బాగా జరిగింది. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మోక్ష సార్ గారు అండ్ ఎంబీసీ ఫ్యాషన్ వీక్.
सुफियान है मैं हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम सुफियान है, मैं भैंसा निर्मल डिस्ट्रिक्ट से ताल्लुक़ रखता हूँ. एमबीसी मल्टी ब्रांड कार्निवल शो ये मेरा सेकंड शो है जिसमें मैं पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा हूँ. इसमें बहुत सी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ है, जिसमें कोरियोग्राफी के लिए शादाब सर जो बेंगलोर से आए थे उन्होंने हमें ग्रूमिंग सेक्शन लिया और साथ ही साथ हमें बहुत सी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ दिए. तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि बहुत से लोग इसका फ़ायदा उठाएं और यहाँ आके मुझे मौका देने के लिए शुक्रिया गुजार.
Good evening, this is Noman Padhan and it's been an amazing day over here coming with MBC. Thanks to MBC, Moksh sir and Shadab sir for coming all over the Bangalore and training us, guiding us to the choreographing and showing us how to pose, how to walk. It's been an amazing event. We hope to attend more and more events like this with MBC and start our career with this modeling and acting for so far, and hope the best for MBC. And thank you for their opportunity to upbring this all kind of events and to promote and to motivate all the youth and encouraging them to come over here, show their talent. Thank you very much. Have a great
Yeah, this is Javier Fernandez. So thank you for giving me this time of opportunities for MBC. Thank you for Mox sir. Have a great day. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Raju. I am from Nizamabad. I am staying in and I do job in Hyderabad. I am interested in fashion. So I am.
Hello everybody, and this is Moksh of Multi Brands Carnival and Multi Fashion Arts Nunchi. We are doing this workshop with the modeling grooming sessions, and happy to see that there are more than 60 plus girls and boys today. And ee roju idi jaragadam valla it is a awareness program for all the aspiring models kavachu, designers kavachu, and whoever wants to get into the fashion industry ki oka stepping stone laga Multi Fashion Arts vallu organizing this Multi Brands Carnival across India level lo we are coming up with 24 designers for 2 days of carnival, which is going to be a Multi Brands Carnival. So as a part of auditions ga we have organized auditions today in Hyderabad in Madhapur at Beats Music Barlo, and next we will be having the auditions in Vijayawada, Vizag, Pune, Nagpur, Bombay, Delhi and also in Dehradun to give this great awareness of the program of Multi Brands Carnival across India, and then pull out the designers from across India to Hyderabad to create a sensational beautiful program of the fashion shows, because Manasa Varanasi kavachu, Rohit Khandelwal kavachu, mana Dia Mirza kavachu, all these supermodels and then Miss and Mrs. India kavachu andaru from Hyderabad ani cheppukodaniki we all feel proud of being Hyderabadi. And being part of the Hyderabad city, we would be pulling up all these supermodels from across India to come to Hyderabad and then be the part of MBC, Multi Brands Carnival, soon in Hyderabad. Thank you so much all the models, all the supporting people who have come today, especially Priya from Priya Events and the other team of mine. Thank you so much. Thank you all the influencers and bloggers who have supported today. Thank you.